Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, before going into the further details, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And we never intend or reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and motive behind making videos and sharing design ideas with you is to share creativity and beautiful designs. Now let's move back towards the main content. Guys, the basic purpose and the main motive of today's video is black dresses embroidery ideas, that how you can design your black dress, black kameez, kurti, shirt, t-shirt, sweatshirt, and any type of top that is totally comprised of black color. So if you already have black shirts that are in use and they are old, then you can renew them with the help of very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery that are being shown to you onto your screens right now. So I hope that you are liking the patterns and design ideas of today's video collection, and specifically the color theme that is black, because black is the color that reflects any type of color and absorbs the absorbent properties of any color, and it gives delicacy, royalness, elegance, and many more creativities. Guys, keep supporting us, keep loving us, and keep watching our content, because with your love and support, we have reached at this level, and with your love and support, we will continue to grow. So, with this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing, stylish, and trendy ideas. Stay tuned with the new and more upcoming latest videos on my channel.